Want to start a business in 2025? You can build one faster than ever using AI tools, even if you have zero experience. Here's your beginner-friendly playbook. Step 1 is to pick a simple, profitable offer. Focus on low-cost digital services or products that are easy to create and sell. Think about ebooks or digital guides, custom Canva templates, or even AI-generated logos and product descriptions. The key is to keep it simple and scalable, so you can grow without getting overwhelmed. Now let's move on to step 2, using 3 powerful AI tools that will transform your workflow. First up is ChatGPT. This tool is fantastic for writing, brainstorming business names, and generating product ideas. Next, we have Pictory, which is perfect for video creation and content marketing. It helps you produce engaging videos quickly. Lastly, Luca is a game changer for designing brand kits and logos in just minutes. These tools can automate about 80% of the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on what really matters. Step 3 is all about building a sales page in minutes. Platforms like Gumroad, StanStore, or Canva sites make this super easy. You just need a simple headline, a few benefits, and a product mock-up. That's it. No tech stress or web development skills required. You can have your sales page up and running in no time. Now, on to step 4, marketing with free traffic. Start by leveraging platforms like TikTok, Pinterest, or X, formerly Twitter. Aim to post 3 times a week, sharing valuable insights, transformations, or quick wins related to your product. Don't overthink it, just get your content out there and refine it as you go. Finally, remember this: you don't need an office, employees, or a hefty budget to start. All you need is a clear offer and a few smart AI tools to help you move faster. Embrace the possibilities and take that first step toward building your business today.